Hi all, welcome to my channel. As promised, I have come up with a second video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The topics that I'm going to cover in today's video are how to remove negativity, and the second topic is a suggestion from one of my viewer. So just thought to add up in this video itself. That is the steps that I'm following during quarantine. So let's go one by one. Let's get started with the first topic, how to remove negativity. To remove negativity, I know it is very difficult in this current situation, but if you follow a few steps that I'm suggesting from my personal experience, then I'm sure you'll be able to overcome it. So let's go one by one. Cleanliness is next to godliness. We have heard this phrase many times, but do we follow this? It is something to think about. With the help of cleanliness, we can keep our physical and mental health clean, which will make us feel good. Cleanliness gives rise to a good character by keeping body, mind, and soul clean and peaceful. Maintaining cleanliness is an essential part of healthy living because it helps us to improve our personality by keeping clean externally and internally. It is everybody's responsibility, and one should keep themselves and their surroundings clean and hygienic. It also brings good and positive thoughts in the mind, which slows down the occurrence of diseases. Cleanliness of the body is very important to remove negativity that is prevailing around us. So, for that, taking a bath or a nice long hot shower can help elevate your personal energy. It's a very easy and effective method. So, the next sub step is clean your house. Clean your house will help us to remove lot of negativity within us. So, for that, what we have to do is on a daily basis, wash the dishes, clean the rugs, curtains, walls, floor, windows, do your laundry, etc. Open the windows, let the sun shine and fresh air in and the negative energy out. By making your house or office a more positive space, you will notice that you will also get rid of the negative energy inside you. So now third step is meditation. Meditation improves mood and behavior. It decreases anxiety, helps gain clarity and peace of mind. It helps heal your energy system and maintain vibrant energy field. So for that, choose a peaceful environment, sit in a quiet place, and do a simple exercise of breathing. For that, close your eyes and start chanting mantras or positive affirmations that you are comfortable with. Repeat the mantras as many times as you want till the time you feel the message vibrating through your body. Do this daily to strengthen your mind. Apart from these three steps, there is also one important thing that you have to follow on a daily basis. That is, you have to drink at least 1 to 1.5 liters of water in a day. If you do not keep yourself hydrated, that will also lead you to get irritated in the small things, which will get you more into the negativeness. So try to drink at least 1 to 1.5 liters of water in a day. For some, music really helps to heal their mind, and I am one among them. Music does more than just putting us in a good mood. It energizes your mind, eases stress, evokes emotions, and yes, relax your mind and soul. And I think this is what we need at this moment. Please go ahead and listen to the music that you're comfortable in. The second topic of my video is steps I follow during quarantine. Let's get started. We follow all the rules set by our government for our safety and safety of others. Today in this video, I'm going to share few important steps that nobody can miss during the quarantine. So let's go one by one. Steps we are following during the quarantine are: we are restricting our movement within the house. We wash hand as often thoroughly with soap and water or with alcohol-based hand sanitizer. We avoid sharing household items, for example, dishes, drinking glasses, cups, eating utensils, towels, etc. And yes, the most important step is we don't step out of the house. In my earlier video, I had shared with you all that my in-law is staying in my relative's house. So, we make sure that we do not touch any unnecessary things, for example, cupboards, clothes, tables, kitchen utensils, etc. And on daily basis, we monitor our health just to check whether if we are showing any signs of COVID-19. In case we show any symptoms during this quarantine period, then we will call ASHA worker, we will take guidance from them, and then we will consult a doctor. So my both the topics are over. If you really think my video was useful and it will really help many, then kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.